Hey guys, Brian, EGT Solar. Today we're going to talk about solar as an investment. I think one of the most important things for a consumer to realize when they're looking at investing into solar or not is, does this make sense financially for you and your family? So we're going to talk about a couple different things today of why, of course, we feel solar is a very good investment. So first is safety and security. When we look to invest any money, the first thing anyone looks at is, am I going to get my money back? Is it safe and is it secure, right? That's probably the first thing anybody wants to look at, because nobody wants to put money into an investment and lose it, right? So when we look at the safety and the security of a solar investment, we're looking at almost zero risk. And I say that based on the sun not coming up being the only risk that you don't make your money back off of a solar investment. Now, if that were to happen, as many of you know, we have much bigger problems to worry about, and people aren't going to care about their solar at that point in time. But the reality is, for the foreseeable future, the sun's going to come up, so it makes solar, just from that simple standpoint, one of the safest and most secure investments where a consumer can put their money.